Hope at the edge of life. As a man walked past a puddle, he noticed tiny kittens lying motionless, soaked by the rain. From within, a faint cry could be heard, one kitten, frail and barely moving. Without hesitation, he gently lifted it, only to realize there were not just one but 3 kittens, all weak and shivering. Filled with compassion, he carried them home. At home, he wrapped their tiny bodies in warm towels, fed them milk with a dropper, and ensured they stayed warm throughout the night. Day by day, he cared for them patiently, cleaning their fur, providing food, and even speaking softly to encourage them to survive. Weeks passed, and a transformation began. The kittens grew stronger, playing with one another, even chasing after his feet wherever he went. Watching them healthy and full of life, the man smiled, realizing one thing: life isn't just about finding happiness, but also about giving it to those who need it most.